Welcome to Tech Math, the web version of the class on the ATU Ozark campus. My name is Jessica Pipkins, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. Just a little background about myself. I have a bachelor's in mathematics from ATU. I have a Master of Science in College Student Personnel and a Master's in Education in Instructional Design and Technology. I've been teaching for 15 years. I taught high school math for 3 before I transitioned to adult education, and that's what I've been doing for the last 12 years. As an adult education teacher, I teach all levels of math, and I help students improve their other basic skills, reading, science, social studies, improve their computer digital literacy skills, everything from using the mouse, basic computer skills, all the way up to the Microsoft Office suite. And I help people just in general become more employable. I've been married to my husband Matt for 16 years, and we have 2 beautiful children. In our spare time, we love to go on road trips, and we love to watch sports. I've included some pictures of myself and my family. The first one is just me in my current classroom. There's a collage of us in Philadelphia. We made a road trip to Myrtle Beach and then all the way up the coast, hitting all the states along the East Coast in that area, and Washington, D.C. And so there's some pictures of us in Philadelphia. The middle picture is us in front of the house where Home Alone was filmed. We like to go to points of interest like that. The top right is us in Wisconsin, where it was like -24 degrees, very cold, but a really neat place. And then the bottom right is us. We hiked to Horseshoe Bend in Arizona. So those are just some of our favorite places we've been in the last couple years. I look forward to having each of you in the class, and I hope it's going to be a great success this semester.